Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I am going to be giving you a first look at Zury Sis's newest lace wig just in time for Valentine's Day. This is her. She's already installed and fabulous. You guys will see exactly how I did this step by step in a minute. I just want to share with you guys exactly who she is, where she came from, you know, let's get into that. Today I'm rocking Sister Wig, which falls under Zury Sis. So if I said Zury Sis and you're like, girl, is it Zury Sis, Sister Wig? They fall under the same umbrella. Sister Wig's LF Heart Style VEDA, and it's their heart part. I have the color Tint RT Pink. This is how the card is looking. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's how the card looks. This is what I'm wearing. This is how it looks on the model. This is how it looks on me. Do we look good? You know, I think like since last Valentine's Day, there was a big heart part epidemic. Like everybody was doing heart parts in their hair. You guys have seen like the heart braid pattern. Like I just think it's really, really pretty and it's really cute for Valentine's Day. And Sister Wig actually created a synthetic wig version of what we usually see is on human hair wigs, because you know you part it. So the fact that they made the part already heart shaped, I just think is dope, especially for people, you know, that can't afford expensive human hair or just don't even want to spend the money, just want something quick and easy and go. I feel like this is a great alternative. She has a lot of different colors. She doesn't just come in this pink and blonde, which you guys know I had to pick. She also comes in a black fire. She comes in a blue. She comes in a deep blue, and she comes in a red. She is absolutely, she's really, really pretty. As you can see, this is the finishing touches that I did with her. If you want to see how I styled this, if you want to style it like how I styled it, then make sure you keep watching. How she looks, and she has two clips in the front, two small clips in the front, and she has one larger clip in the back. She also comes with the generic wig straps that every wig comes with, and I'm just going to take that out right now and make sure I adjust that so that it's nice and snug on my head. Okay, and I see the heart. Let me show you guys. I see the heart and I love it. It's really, really pretty. This on. Oh, okay. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in and pluck it a little bit just so that it's nice and plucked. And then from there, I'm just gonna do everything I usually do to install my synthetic lace wigs. So before I install this beautiful wig, today I'm going to be using a new lace glue. I'm going to be using Wig Dealer's Extreme Hold lace glue. My first time actually using one of their products, so I'm excited to see how good this glue holds. Seen a lot of things about it on social media. It's a really popular brand amongst all the influencers, and you know, everybody buys Wig Dealer products, so I'm excited to try it. So yes, I'm going to be trying the Extreme Hold lace glue, and I'm going to glue this down, and then I'm going to cut the lace. As you can see, I made sure I lined it up by my ears so that it's nice and snug on my face. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to lift this up like that, and I'm going to apply the glue around my hairline and then apply the lace on my face.
För många nätter på en lösa sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Denna gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu.
So I glued her on. She is snug. This lace glue is like, it's tight on my head. Like I can't even blink. That's how tight it is on my head. Like I use only 2 layers and it feels like it's not going anywhere. Like it is super snug on my head. So I definitely recommend Wig Dealer's Extreme Hold Lace Glue. Now I'm going to be trying another product from Wig Dealer, and I believe this is their, it's like a little, you know those little razors that you use for your brows that they sell in the beauty supply store? It's one of those, but they have like their own with the logo on it. Came in here. So I'm going to be using that to cut my lace, and I'm also going to be using Wig Dealer's band to tie around my edges so that my edges are laid as well. Okay, first I'm gonna just cut the front because I feel like I'm gonna slice my head open. So we're gonna just do it like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this to cut the rest of the lace. Oh my gosh, it cuts it like butter, like butter. No, it cuts it so nicely. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my goodness. Now you guys, I'm going to make my edges, and I'm gonna take this comb and just pull out some from the sides, like right here. Yeah, we can do that much. I'm gonna go in with my Kiss Colors Max Hold Edge Fixer in Very Cherry. I want to use all pink since we're doing a Valentine's Day look. So I'm trying to stick to the pink theme. So yeah, I'm gonna be going in with this, and I'm going to just style my edges right here on the side.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah, ayy, and pay me what I'm owed, yeah, 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 all this money on me, yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me, yeah, yeah, all this money around me, yeah, yeah, cash rolls.
Go ahead and open this Wig Dealer's edge tie. Oh, and it's like Velcro actually, you guys. Like, look, you can actually like do that. So I can put it around my head and then like Velcro it. So that's dope. I don't know, I think I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna do it backwards. I think it's better because I can see. So like this. Wait, hold on, yeah. Gonna do it like that. And okay, oh, nicely. And take these Barbie clips out, and let's see what we're working with the hair. So okay, it gets a little tangly in this area right here, so I'm definitely going to thin that out, because when it gets tangly like that, it has to be thinned out. Take some hair towards the back. It's too much hair, and I'm just gonna 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Money on me, yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me, yeah, yeah, all this money around me, yeah, yeah.
And as y'all can see now, it's like no tangles in the wig. Okay, so that feels good. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side. Yeah, see, it's just getting really tangled in this area, so it's best to thin her out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And see, as I comb it, all the hair comes out and it's way thinner and it feels better. It flows better. So, look at that. It came out. You can see I went through a lot to get it to be laid because I've seen other tutorials on social media and I wasn't really a fan. I was like, it still looks kind of weird, so I tried my best to like slick this on my head. As you can see, I had to cut off a lot of hair within this area because it was just so much hair. And it was so much hair, and it's like, how can I swoop it on my face when it's so much hair? It takes heat really well. I had the curling iron on about 363 degrees. It's still on actually. And let me show you guys, it takes heat really well. It doesn't burn or anything. I put gel here, it takes gel. I don't have any more got to be freeze spray. If I did, I would freeze this whole thing right here, but I don't have any more. But the gel actually did help, and it's actually like staying in place. This is the heart. You guys can see, that's the heart. If you guys can see the heart, I put a little concealer into it, not too much because I didn't want it to look like just messy, but I put a little concealer in the heart so you can kind of see the heart a little more. It's giving. I hope you guys definitely spend your Valentine's Day with the loves of your lives. If you don't have the love of your life, spend it with yourself. Grab this wig because she's really cute. And yeah, but that's all for this video, you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.